Hey everybody, Noodle Thumb here. Today I have something a little bit different that's going to take a bit of explaining, and I'm not going to show you the entire process because it's god awful boring. But we're to the probably exciting part, hopefully not disappointing part, but we'll see. Short story. Hobbs sent me this very nice Sergeant Greenleaf 6730 safe lock, which I went ahead and graphed out a couple times with dismal results. So I was bemoaning my lack of skill on Discord, and he said, "Hey, I'd be happy to lend you a brand new one of those locks that has much crisper feedback." And I said, "Yes, please. I would love to have a better shot at doing this with my non-existent skill." And so he packed it up and sent it to me. It is this beautiful lock here. And I went ahead and have been graphing that over the last couple days. So I'll show you the graphs that I made and tell you a little bit more of a story as I do so. So let's see if we can get any kind of good view here. Up too far, little too close. So that top graph, so up here I'm finding the common low point, and that's listed in eighths, and it's the gate width. Basically one way you decode a safe lock is you graph out how big the wheels are at different points. And from there, you can get what's called a gate signature, which I'll show you in a minute. The first part of that is finding a common low. Usually this is the third wheel, and it's just, you want the lowest number of eighths. So first I did it at the point that it backed off to, and that's these top numbers. And then I graphed out with all wheels right at 0, and then the third wheel at the number at the top of here. And I found nothing. This maybe could have been a something there, but then the gate never came up. That's a little bit too small of a difference to be a gate. Same here, kinda. So I said, putting it to the point that it backs off to is a losing proposition. So I held pressure, mapped the common low again, and got okay reading. 0 is the common low. So then I mapped it out again. Noise, boom. That's a potential gate there. And along here, nothing. That's maybe a potential gate. So then I amplified those. And that looks like the edge of a gate. So that's a maybe. And then tried this one. Nothing at all. And then, so I said, well, maybe let's try at 26. Mapped out the common low on this new graph. And as I did that, the dial indicator moved. It can move a little bit. Let's see. So when you do that, of course, it changes your readings. So I'll get back to that. So I came back and I put, let's see, it doesn't have legs. I couldn't stand to make legs before I graphed it out, so I just did. So I put this indicator mark so that if this moves like that, I would know where to move it back to. Right there. So that's what I did. And then I went back and I amplified again and got this clear curve here, up and down. So my first gate's 25. So I redid the common. Well, no, I didn't redo the common low. I used 20 as my common low. So 20x at 25. Mapped it out. When you do it this way, you count down. So I started here with these dots that went up. It was kind of wonky. Over here. And then boom. Got what looks like a gate signature. Went and redid these with the circles just to double check myself, and sure enough, I had started off weird. So then I amplified the gate, and sure enough, it was clear as day again, 61. So now, here's where I bring you in. I'm brute forcing left X along here, right 61, left 25. I've just been doing even numbers, and when I hit 40, I said, why am I not recording this? And so now I am recording this. So what I'm going to do now is set my camera up in overhead orientation so you can see as I process through these numbers, brute forcing, and hopefully we will capture my first safe lock open. Okay, so I'm going to turn my indicator dial so it's matched up just the way I want it. We're going all wheels left. So they are at 42. Then I go around, pick up 3, pick up 2, go to 61, pick up 3, go to 25, and nothing. Pick up 3, pick up 2, pick up 1, go to 44, pick up 3, pick up 2, go to 61. Go to 25, nothing. Pick up 3, pick up 2, pick up 1, go to 46. Nope, I didn't mark that off. Okay. Pick up 3. Pick up 2, go to 61, pick up 3, go to 25, nothing. Pick up 3, pick up 2, 61. Pick up 3. Take it to 25. Nothing. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Pick up 1. Take it to 50. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Take it to 61. Pick up 3. Take it to 25. Nothing. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Pick up 1. Take it to 52. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Take it to 61. Pick up 3. Take it to 25. Nothing. Brute forcing is boring. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Pick up 1. Take it to 54. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Take it to 61. We're going to get to something exciting here soon. Pick up 3. Take it to 25. Nothing. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Pick up 1. Take it to 56. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Take it to 61. Pick up 3. Take it to 25. Nothing. I might have missed 25 a little bit there. I'm going to reset that. So take 25 back to 20. And put wheel 3 at 25 again. Just to check. Okay, pick up 3. Pick up 2. Pick up 1. Take it to 58. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Take it to 61. Pick up 3. Take it to 25. No. Pick up 3. I lost myself. All wheels left to 60. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Take it almost all the way around to 61. Pick up 3. Take it to 25. Nothing. Now the exciting part where we don't turn so much. So pick up 3, pick up 2, pick up 1, take it to 62. Pick up 3, pick up 2, and take it to 61, which is where we already are. Pick up 3, and take it to 25, and nothing. So now there's a little bit less turning. Pick up 3, pick up 2 and 1, take it to 64. Pick up 3, pick up 2, take it to 61, pick up 3 and take it to 25, nothing. Pick 2 and 1 to 66. Pick up 3. Pick up 2, take it to 61. Pick up 3, take it to 25. No. Pick up 3. Oh, I picked up 2 and 1 back there. 68. Pick up 3. Pick up 2, take it to 61. Pick up 3, take it to 25. No. Pick up 3, 2, 1, take it to 70. Pick up 3, 2, take it to 61. Pick up 3, take it to 25. No. Pick up 3, 2, 1 to 72. Pick up 3, 2 to 61. 3 to 25. Did I do that right? I'm getting bored, not paying attention. Okay, 72. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. And take it too far. Do it right, Aaron. 72. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Take it to 61. Pick up 3. Take it to 25. No. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Pick up 1. Take it to 74. Pick up 3. Pick up 2 to 61. Pick up 3 to 25. No. One of these times when I slide past that, about 95, it will take, I should film from the other side, but it'll take this and pull it in. So as I say that, I'm actually going to flip this around so you can see when it works. You can actually see the exciting part of that is sorry for my poor planning. Alright. I'll scoot you over to here. Okay, this is much more awkward. I am going to change what I'm doing here. Okay, this is going to come all the way back up there. That's going to go down there. So this is not nearly so much in the way. And I can hold this. Okay. Yeah, it's good enough. Okay, 76. Round, pick up 3. Pick up 2 to 61. Pick up 3 to 25. Nothing. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. 1 to 78. Pick up 3. 2 to 61. 3 to 25. Nope. 80. Pick up 3. Pick up 2 to 61. Pick up 3 to 25. No. Bedtime?
Yep.
Alright. Good night. Sweet dreams, bud.
You too.
Love you.
Love you too.
Pick up 3. Pick up 2. Pick up 1 to 82. Pick up 3. Pick up 2 to 61. Pick up 3 to 25. No. Pick up 3. I don't know if I did. Well, yeah, I did that. Yeah. 84. Pick up 3. 2 to 61. Come on. There we go. 3 to 25. Ooh. Ha! I got it. Alright. Now, I'm going to test for the middle of the combo. So that goes back out. So, left. I'm going to start at, well, I tried 82, it didn't work. So I'm going to try left 83. Pick up 3. Pick up 2. And go to 61. Pick up 3. And go to 25. No dice. Okay. So 84 we just tried. I'm going to do it again just because it's fun. So 84, pick up 3, pick up 2 to 61, pick up 3 to 25, and boom. Yeah, I'm so excited. This is awesome. Okay, 85. Should work. Pick up 3. Pick up 2 to 61. Pick up 3 to 25, and boom. You know what, for fun, I'm gonna go for 87. I don't know how wide these gates are supposed to be. Okay, 87. Is that 87 enough? Of course it is. Okay. Pick up 3, pick up 2 to 61. Pick up 3 to 25. No. Okay. 86. Pick up 3. Pick up 2 to 61. Pick up 3 to 25. Boom. Okay. So the true combo I don't know where on my sheet to put it. Is left 85, right 61, left 25. 3 big exclamation points. And that is the second half of the brute force third wheel decoding of a Sergeant Greenleaf 6730 safe lock. Have a good one, everybody.